Today, I'm gonna talk to you guys about the simple change that changed my trading, and that was simply trading less. Now, before you click off the video, just open your journal and ask yourself two questions. One, does it look shit? Two, are you trading every day? And if you say yes to these two questions, that means you basically need to trade less. Now, in our mind, like a normal brokie's mind, we think about 9 to 5. We think about working for money, and in trading, that is simply not the case. Because just because you trade more doesn't mean you make more money. Just because you take more trades doesn't mean you can make more money, because you know you can lose. All right. So I'm tired of telling you guys like not trading is also trading. Like Wakar says, a restricted trader is a profitable trader, and that's completely true, because the less you trade, the more you'll gain. That's why most people lose in trading, because like a lot of things is just reverse psychology. It's just completely the opposite of what we think of. And the simple change I did, because back in the day, I would say I was still profitable, but I was stressed as fuck. I was so stressed because I was taking positions every single day. I was still restricted to one or two, like I am now, but bro, it was stressful as fuck. Cause my position is like 5 pips, 10 pips, and like I'm trading every day. There's about 22 trading days in a month. What happens if you lose most of it? Or all of it, for not saying you trade twice? You're asking about 20%, 40%. 40% risk you put on the table if you trade twice a day. And there's people that trade way more. And that's not saying if you're a scalper, because if you're a scalper, I don't think you're watching this channel. I think we're more of a intraday kind of audience, or even swingers. But you don't want to do that, bro, because like you're just putting your psychology on the line, and then your psychology becomes fucked because you're losing too much, and then that also affects your technical. So like your data is not even gonna be the same as it was before, because your mental has changed, because you're losing too much. And I can show you, like, I was doing this back in January. My January wasn't so good. My equity looked like this for January. But then February I said, stop this. Even then I think I was having like 15 trades, 15 to 20 maybe. But some days I was like 2 to 3 trades, not 1 to 2, but it was mostly every day. But now I only trade externally. February I did about, January I think I did like minus 5%. Minus 5% for January. And I had about 15 trades. In February I had 3 trades. Changed it completely. And I was up 2.5. See what I'm saying? April I had about 7, I think. No, hold on. I think I was 7 or 6. And I did about 7R. I could have did 10, but man, I was like super overconfident, and I just had 3 losses in a row. So I made 10, and then I had 3 losses in a row, and I was plus 7. Still Gucci, but yeah. And like, this is what I'm saying when I say like not trading is also trading. By trading less, you'll make more. Okay, because people forget we can lose in trading. People think we only can win, and I need to trade. Man, there's opportunities every single day. Maybe not every single day for certain strategies. And for me personally, if I'm trading externally, and if I'm only taking the best setups, there's not trades every day. But what I mean is, like, there will be trades every week. every month. Okay, so you just gotta sit patiently and wait for it. Unless you're just you just like, I don't know, excited to see charts. Are you excited to see candles? Are you jerking off to seeing candles, or are you here to make money? Let me know. Because if you're here to fucking jerk off to candles, like, okay, takes 5-7 trades a day. But if you're here to make money, calm yourself, sit patiently, and wait for the right moment, and just get paid. We're not here to have fun. We're here to get paid. And yeah, simply, instead of trading internally, I became trading. As fucking hell. I started to trade externally, meaning I don't trade inside of. You can say a range, but I don't trade inside liquidities. Let's say, like here. I can show you on the group. We have like a downside vision, and I was saying same vision. I will be careful trading inside this range though. I'm not trading inside of this bullshit. I know price can drop here. I know it will do. If it doesn't go up, like even if it goes up, I know it will drop. But I knew we were going to go higher. There's a double bottom right here, but I know it's going to go higher. At least to retest this, and then if it wants to break or if it wants to go here, it can do. But I knew it. But did I trade this? Hell no, this is bullshit. Like there's no way to place myself here, and I'm not simply trading it. And even if there's a short here, like I'm not trading inside of this range. I'm only trading here, and I will, for the example, I'll say I will only trade here, but I'll not because there's a liquidity just underneath it. But yeah, I would trade here. I would buy here. So that's the thing, man. If you're losing too much, just trade externally, because externally you have more movements, higher probability of the trade playing out, and it's just safer. Because internally you're getting all the bullshit. You're probably going to the 1 minute, and a lot of you beginners are fucking yourselves going to the 1 minute. At least stay in a 5 or M3 maximum, because 1 minute has a lot of noise, and like if you haven't mastered it, it's gonna be a problem for you. But yeah, bro, you come in the charts, like you don't trade here, you trade this. You trade externally. After we take out major liquidity, like externally, hey, if it can be Asia, it can be like previous daily low, previous daily high, something, but like you don't trade here, you trade this. If you take out Asia, fine, it's kind of risky, but you can say we're testing this. I mean, fine, if it is with your strategy, then go for it. But here we don't do nothing. As soon as we break this, you trade, you look to trade. If we're on this bullshit, if we're on Asia, you don't touch it. Like, look at these days. Price is doing nothing. Nothing. We have a trend line right here. We have a liquidity right here. Just wait. You know there's liquidity on both sides. Just wait for one to get taken. You see this? Boom. We took our liquidity. Now you go to short. What happens next? Price drops. Drops to the other liquidity. Moves from one liquidity to another. But just have to spot them. And not become liquidity on the lower side. Because you're trading inside of the liquidity pools. And not with the liquidity pools. If I'm making myself understandable. But yeah, like reduce your trading frequency. If you're even in a bad streak, just go for the higher class setups. Forget the adrenaline of trading. Just try to be professional about it. Start to journal your trades. put a fucking graph on it, an equity curve, and try to not make your shit look like this or look anything like this. Again, try to make it something like this. Okay, this is what we want to see. This is what private investors want to see. This is like I really became a profitable trader. Like y'all don't know because you're like poisoned with this social media mindset, but the most profitable traders, they do about 2% a month. If you do 2% a month consistently, you're amongst the best traders in the world. And that's consistently. Now you might say that's pretty easy. Yeah, reasonably, if you know how to trade. That meaning 2% each and every month, consistently. But you're gonna say, no. My guy, I do 30% every day. Like in Lambo next day. But these are the type of guys that do also minus 30% in 1 month. Or more, because I've seen stories, guys, like blowing 20 challenges in a day. How the fuck do you blow 20 challenges in a day? Oh, my psychology. Yeah, bro. Alright, guys, that's been the video. Just trade less. Y'all get the point. I'm kind of yapping in this. I don't want to become like ICT and just yapping and stuff. Again, throwing in the shots. I hope I don't get famous, bro, because like I can't. I would be cancelled so quick. So yeah, guys, stay safe in these streets, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.